Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got another super cool shoutout of some Minecraft projects. So let's get cracking. Friends, if you haven't been following along, these are all based on a Minecraft creeper somebody asked me to make this summer. I made this creeper using what I call the 5x5 cube technique, and now in my classrooms I'm seeing this totally turn into an awesome project where kids are picking their own Minecraft creatures or just pixel art and create them as well. So this is an awesome one that was created by 8th grader Uriel. This is the Minecraft dog. Notice once again 5x5 cubes, totally awesome colors, and it just looks epic. Once again, friends, I want to thank Uriel for taking the time to create it and share it with me. And friends, let me show you another one created by 6th grader Will. So Will has been creating for several days and has a sweet Minecraft golem. He sent me an image so I can't take you inside and show you from every angle, but maybe I'll show that at a different time. But at least this way you can see it's been created. Alright friends, so the last one I want to show you is an epic 3D printable Wither. Now this was created by Jack. Jack has done so many cool creations that I chose to 3D print one for him. I normally do not print things this large, but what he's been doing is fantastic, so he earned it. Now to earn it, he had to go in and give the beveled edges. He did 3-in-1. My video showed 2-in-1, but I'm going to say that this turned out really sweet. It took 8 hours to print, and friends, let me take you over to the print and we'll show it all. My friends, a 3D printed Wither, created by Jack and printed on the Creality Ender 3. About 8 hours of printing, and boom, we've got a textured Wither. How cool is that? Alrighty friends, so there you have it, 3D printed Wither by Jack and sweet projects by Uriel and Will as well. Friends, don't forget, if you create your own project, you can always generate a link, copy a link, and you can share it with me. You can reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. I am HLModTech on all three. You can also reach out to me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. Once again, friends, don't forget you can also visit HLModTech.com. There is a Tinkercad tab. You can find all of the cool Tinkercad lessons, and if you want to use the messaging app, you can reach out to me almost instantly. And of course, lastly, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.